So how you can draw beautiful flowers using Adobe Illustrator. So two flowers we are going to create. First this green one over here from scratch, okay, and then we'll also create this maroon purple flowers, okay, so that you will understand how you can create it from scratch, okay. The green one, okay. So first thing, you draw a polygon, okay, and make it a stroke only, okay. In this way, just make it a stroke only, and before that you should select the shape, okay. Next, go to effect in the top menu, and then distort transform. You have this distort transform, and then click pucker and bloat, okay. Next, after that you should adjust the value until the polygon turns into a flower shape, okay. So adjust the value, then you click OK and apply the effect. After that you make a copy of the flower shape, okay. In this way you make a copy, multiple copies, okay. So in this way you make multiple copies, okay. Next, you should change the color of the copied flower, okay. So in this way you change the color of the copied flower one by one, okay. So now you repeat the copy setup and choose the gradient colors you want, okay. Next, you select all the flower copies together. Next, you should go to object from the top menu, blend, and then click make, okay. Next, again object, blend, click blend option, okay. Next, edit the blend option to control the smooth color transition, right. Next, you should adjust the number of steps until the flower gradient looks smooth, okay. Next, create a circle shape in the center of the flower. So you change the circle color as well, okay. Place the circle in the middle to complete the flower design, okay. So now you have a colorful flower and you can use it. If you need this file, the link will be there in the description. Now okay, so first you make a polygon as I told you. This is change the color, okay, a stroke only, stroke color you change it, distort, then bloat, okay, pucker and bloat. So you make the petals first, so the petals are ready, flower petals, okay. You make a copy and place them, multiple copies, okay. You can use different colors for different petals, okay. So now you can see how beautiful it looks, okay. Same process you follow, object, blend, then blend option. You create a circle, then change the color of the circle. Okay, gray ash color, light yellow. So now our design is ready. You position it, the whole design, you align it at the center. Okay, this is how you can get the file